In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks online tips how to match bank transactions. Managing your business finances can feel overwhelming, but QuickBooks Online makes it easier with tools that help streamline your workflow. One important task in maintaining accurate financial records is matching your bank transactions. By doing this, you ensure that your QuickBooks data aligns perfectly with your actual bank account. Whether you're a small business owner or a bookkeeper, this step is crucial for staying on top of your financial health. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can confidently match your transactions like a pro. First, start by clicking on the Transactions tab. You'll find it located in the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. This is your starting point for accessing all the financial activity within your account. Once you're on the Transactions page, locate and click on the Bank Transactions tab. This will take you directly to your connected bank feed, where you can view all the transactions that have been imported from your bank account. This feed is updated automatically, so you'll always see the most recent activity. Now it's time to review the list of transactions that have been imported. Take a moment to scroll through and familiarize yourself with the entries. QuickBooks will attempt to identify matches for these transactions based on your existing records, such as invoices, expenses, or payments you've already entered. For transactions that QuickBooks has automatically matched, you'll see a Match option. If everything looks correct, simply click on Match to confirm the pairing. This step ensures that the transaction is recorded properly, without any extra work on your part. For unmatched transactions, the process requires a little more attention. Click on the specific transaction to open the manual matching options. This will allow you to take a closer look and find the correct record or category that corresponds to the transaction. QuickBooks will provide suggestions, but you can also search your records to locate the right one. Once you've selected the appropriate record or category, click on Match to finalize the manual matching process. This ensures that the transaction is accurately categorized and linked to the right account or entry in your QuickBooks system. Repeat this process for all unmatched transactions. It's important to go through each one carefully to make sure your financial data is accurate and up to date. By taking these steps, you'll avoid errors and keep your accounting records in perfect alignment with your bank activity. And that's it. Matching bank transactions in QuickBooks Online is simple when you follow these steps. With a little practice, it'll become second nature and save you time in managing your finances. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.